The Buffalo B600 digger has proven to be one of the UK's most popular micro diggers, and you can see why. It's got an incredibly cool design. I mean, just look at it. It's so cool for such a small machine, and you get so much for your money's worth. It's amazing. They've been incredibly popular with landscapers, builders who do patios, driveways, or just small holders, you name it. And the reason being is because one of its compact width is only 69 centimeters wide, so you can get through pretty much any doorway, side access gate, you name it, which obviously makes it insane for those tight access areas that do need a bit more than just hand power. At the same time, for a machine of its size, what's quite special about this is that it has got a swing and boom, which makes it incredibly handy if you're working up against tight walls or fences or the like. And basically what this means is that if you can't swing your body, because it would mean your body actually hitting a fence or a wall, you can just simply spin your arm to go where it needs to dig where it needs to dig. So yeah, with these features, it really makes it something special for such a small machine. Delving into the actual deeper specs of the machine itself, it comes with a 306cc Trident petrol engine. And we've been asked quite a few times, well, why didn't you use a Briggs & Stratton? Why didn't you use a Honda engine? And to be honest with you, a Briggs & Stratton engine would have actually been cheaper for this machine, but we decided not to because Trident are one of the best in the business that we believe, and it was one of the biggest horsepower engines that we could have had to actually place inside a machine, because a lot of the times engines are simply too big to place in machines of this size itself. So we're really happy with it. It's been incredibly reliable, and it goes to show why we've sold thousands and thousands of units, and we keep on getting insane feedback, which we really appreciate. At the same time, you can spec this machine to exactly what your project needs from you. So it comes with a free bucket, which is a standard 300 wide digging bucket, but at the same time you can go for trenching buckets, grading buckets, rakes, pallet forks, you name it. There's a lot of attachments you can go for this machine, so you can really spec it to exactly what you need it for, which is great. And apart from that, there's a few other features that we can talk or delve into, majority being of its simplicity. So we've spoken about the engine, but there's two major components to this machine, and that's the engine and the hydraulic pump. And just those two features alone power this whole machine, from your rams to the track motors to everything. It's just those two things. So it's really simple, and that's why they've been incredibly reliable, because nothing's over engineered, nothing's overdone to get any after sales revenue or anything like that. It's just simple and nice and easy to use, and that's pretty much it. So really appreciate you guys watching this video. If you have any questions, obviously give us a shout or come down to our showroom, and we'd be more than happy to show you around. Thank you.